Welcome to applications of logarithms and exponentials. So in real life examples, these can be used or applied for sciences and technologies, such as the Richter scale would be one prime example that people know a lot about. And what you'll be looking at doing is converting between exponential form and logarithmic form. And we looked in a previous video at the conversion of a to the m, or base a to the power of n equals n, and changing that into logarithmic form, we get m equals log of base a to the n. So here's our question. We've got a quantity q compared to time t, and we're looking at the formula q equals 4 times 8 to the 0.2 t. We want our answers to three significant figures. So using these three questions that we have here. So for our first one, that was when t was equal to 6. So q equals 4 times 8 to the power of 0.2 times 6, which is 4 times 8 to the power of 1.2, which equals 48.5 to three significant figures. Rearranging it, so you've got to get the base 8 by itself first, so we get q divided by 4. And once we've got q over 4 equals 8 to the power of, or base 8 to the power of 0.2 t, we can then rearrange it in logarithmic form. So we get log base 8 of q divided by 4 equals to 0.2 t. And dividing by 0.2 is equivalent to 5. And so that's log t equals 5 log base 8 q over 4. So to answer the last part of the question, where q was equal to 36, we get t equals 5 log base 8 of 9, and for that you can use change of base, so 5 times log of 9 over log of 8, and that gets you 5.28. Thank you.